Hi, I'm Joan Lok. It's always nice to revisit the basic subjects to refresh our skills and strengthen our understanding of fundamental brushwork. My September workshop will focus on the painting of Loquat, a symbol of wealth and a good economy because the little Loquat look like gold nuggets growing on trees. We'll focus in this workshop on the painting of Loquat in classic Lingnan style. And I will teach you how to paint a blade of leaf in one single stroke and also load the brush and create each piece of loquat in 1 to 2 single strokes. And you would not need to do any touch-up, and it will include a highlight and also all the shading. Whether you are a newcomer or an experienced Sumi-e artist, I think you will find this workshop reinforce your fundamental brushwork in Sumi-e art. I hope to see you in the September workshop for Loquat. See you. Bye-bye.